Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to remove an item from your Steam wishlist. Whether you are cleaning up your list, no longer interested in a game, or just organizing your Steam library better, this guide will help you. First of all, launch open the Steam application on your smartphone and log into your account. Go to the Wishlist tab, which is located at the very top, and tap on it. Inside your wish list, if you want to delete one of the items from the wish list, you'll need to find the remove button, which is located right underneath the product or the game. Tap on remove and there you have successfully deleted the chosen product. That's how you successfully remove an item from your Steam wishlist. If you found the video helpful, please give it a like, consider subscribing and tap in the notification bell for more Steam how-tos. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.